Do you know your Android phone keeps tracking you, even when you're not using it? From your exact location to every app you open, Google and other services quietly collect data about you in the background. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you every hidden setting you need to turn off right now to stop Android from spying on you. Let's protect your privacy and make your phone truly yours again. Step 1. Google account tracking. Your Android phone is deeply connected to your Google account, and most tracking happens there. 1. Open Settings. Google, manage your Google account. 2. Go to the Data and Privacy tab. Now look for these 3 major tracking options. Web and app activity. This records everything you search, watch, and do in apps, even voice commands. Tap it and turn it off. Location history. This keeps a full record of everywhere you go, building your timeline. Tap it and turn it off to stop Google Maps from storing your movement. YouTube history tracks every video you watch or search for. You can turn it off or set it to auto-delete every 3 months. Tip: once you turn these off, go back and delete the existing history under Manage Activity. Step 2. Android System Location Tracking. Even if Google's history is off, your phone itself still collects location data. Let's disable that too. 1. Go to Settings, Location. 2. Tap Location Services. 3. Turn off these options. Google Location Accuracy stops the phone from using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for precise tracking. Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Disable these to prevent background location checks. Emergency Location Service. Optional, but you can turn it off if you don't want automatic tracking during emergencies. Now your phone won't constantly ping your exact position. Step 3. Ads and Personalization Tracking. Google uses your data to show personalized ads. Let's stop that. 1. Go to Settings, Privacy, Ads. 2. Tap Delete Advertising ID or opt out of ads personalization on older versions. 3. Then open Settings, Google, Ads, and confirm opt out of ads personalization is on. This stops apps from building a personal ad profile on you. Step 4. Usage and Diagnostics Tracking. Your phone regularly sends data back to Google to improve Android. Here's how to disable that. 1. Go to Settings, Privacy, Usage, and Diagnostics. 2. Turn it off. This stops your phone from automatically sending crash reports and usage stats. Step 5. App-level permissions and activity control. Some apps track you even when you're not using them. To fix this, 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Permissions. 2. Review location, microphone, camera, and contacts. 3. Change access to allow only while using the app or deny. Bonus privacy tips. Use incognito mode in Chrome when browsing. Regularly clear your Google Maps timeline and search history. Keep Find My Device on only if you really need it. Avoid installing unnecessary apps that ask for excessive permissions. Congratulations! You've just stopped your Android phone from tracking your every move. Your data is now safer, and your phone may even run faster with fewer background services. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Mendit Tech, and share this video with your friends so they can protect their privacy too. Comment below. Did you know your Android was tracking so much information about you?